Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 23rd, 2026, and we're diving into Freshpet's latest earnings report for the fourth quarter and full year of 2025. Joining us is John, our senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Freshpet has had an interesting year, and I'm excited to discuss their performance and future outlook.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Freshpet reported net sales of $285.2 million for the fourth quarter of 2025, marking an 8.6% increase from the previous year. John, what drove this growth?
The growth was primarily driven by a 9.7% increase in volume, although there was a slight offset due to an unfavorable price mix of 1.1%. This indicates strong demand for Freshpet's products, despite some pricing challenges.
And how about profitability? The net income for the quarter was $33.8 million, up from $18.1 million last year. What factors contributed to this increase?
The increase in net income was due to higher sales, improved gross profit margins, and a decrease in SG&A expenses. The gross margin improved to 43.3% from 42.5%, thanks to reduced quality costs and better leverage on plant expenses.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 43 for Freshpet, but the company reported an actual EPS of 64 cents for the fourth quarter. That's quite a beat. John, what does this tell us about Freshpet's performance?
This significant beat on EPS indicates that Freshpet is managing its operations more efficiently than expected. The higher-than-anticipated earnings reflect strong operational execution and cost management, which are crucial for sustaining growth.
How do you think this will affect investor sentiment?
Investors are likely to view this positively, as it demonstrates Freshpet's ability to exceed expectations and deliver strong financial results. This could lead to increased confidence in the company's future performance.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's talk about operational efficiencies. Freshpet's SG&A expenses decreased to $79 million, or 27.7% of net sales in the fourth quarter. What does this indicate?
This decrease in SG&A expenses as a percentage of sales shows that Freshpet is effectively controlling its operating costs. The reduction in share-based compensation and variable compensation accruals contributed to this improvement.
Looking ahead, Freshpet has provided guidance for 2026, with net sales growth expected between 7% and 10%, and adjusted EBITDA between $205 million and $215 million. How do you view these projections?
The guidance reflects a strong outlook, with continued focus on growth and profitability. Freshpet's strategic initiatives, such as expanding e-commerce and testing new retail visibility options, are likely to support these targets.
CEO insights and strategic initiatives. Freshpet CEO Billy Cyr mentioned several strategic initiatives in the earnings report. Can you elaborate on these?
Absolutely. CEO Billy Cyr highlighted the company's efforts to retool their marketing model to drive household penetration and build momentum in e-commerce. They're also testing island fridges to enhance retail visibility and have started a new manufacturing line with breakthrough technology to improve product quality and profitability.
How do these initiatives align with Freshpet's mission?
These initiatives are directly aligned with Freshpet's mission to help pets live longer, healthier lives. By focusing on product quality and expanding their market reach, Freshpet is positioning itself for sustainable growth while fulfilling its core mission.
Key takeaways. In summary, Freshpet has delivered a strong performance in 2025 with significant growth in net sales and profitability. Their strategic initiatives and positive outlook for 2026 suggest continued momentum. John, any final thoughts?
Freshpet's ability to exceed expectations and their strategic focus on innovation and market expansion bode well for the future. Investors should keep an eye on their execution of these initiatives as they could drive further growth.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Freshpet's performance in the comments below. Until next time.